Introducing the Accent Light Tunable White LED Strip Lighting Bundle, your all-in-one solution for easy, smart, and beautiful accent lighting. Inside the package, you'll find installation instructions, COB CCT LED strip, power supply, remote control, LED controller, and 3-pin extension wire. Let's set it up. Step 1. Connect the LED strip to the controller. Match the wires, red to V+, white to CW, and yellow to WW. If you need to extend the strip, use the included 6.5 feet extension wire. Just match red to red, white to white, and yellow to yellow. You can use this wire connector as a splitter. Step 2. Connect the controller to the power supply. Step 3. Insert the battery into the remote and plug the power supply into a standard outlet. When powered on, the controller will display a red light. Press the set button once. Press it a second time. The light will turn green and start blinking, indicating the controller is now in tunable white mode. Use the remote to change brightness or switch between warm and cool white light. This LED bundle is also compatible with the Smart Life app for full control via your phone, including brightness and temperature adjustments. And it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control convenience. Shop now at woodywalls.com.